Today, Senpu Acrylic Factory distinguishes itself through a myriad of brand advantages. Central to our success is our unwavering commitment to quality, backed by state-of-the-art manufacturing processes and stringent quality control measures. We produce a comprehensive range of acrylic products including sheets, rods, tubes, and custom special products, each crafted to high standards to meet diverse customer needs. Innovation is at the core of our brand spirit, driving us to continuously explore new techniques and materials that push the boundaries of acrylic applications. This commitment to innovation allows us to offer cutting-edge solutions that cater to evolving market demands and technological advancements. Our brand is synonymous with reliability and consistency. Customers trust us for our ability to deliver superior products consistently, meeting tight deadlines and exceeding expectations in terms of product performance and durability. This reliability is reinforced by our extensive industry experience and a skilled workforce dedicated to excellence. Furthermore, our brand thrives on a foundation of customer satisfaction. We prioritize understanding and fulfilling the unique requirements of each customer, offering personalized service and tailored solutions that ensure their success. Our responsive customer support further enhances the overall experience, fostering long-term relationships built on trust and mutual respect. Senpu Acrylic Factory's brand advantages encompass quality, innovation, reliability, and customer-oriented. These pillars not only differentiate us in the competitive landscape, but also reinforce our position as a preferred partner for acrylic solutions worldwide. Learn more. Welcome to Inquire or follow our channel. Senpu focuses on quality, innovation, and sustainability of acrylic. Let's create a better future together.